Hello everyone, welcome to NTD Official. Today I have you how to restore Richmond area in AutoCAD. Sometimes your AutoCAD interface is missing Richmond area. Now you look on screen, there are AutoCAD interface missing Richmond. Areas. Okay, if you want to restore Richmond area, you can do the follow. Click here, select show menu bar, and then you click Tool Palette Richmond. Okay. And then you click here, so click menu bar. Okay. Okay. This is Richmond area. Restore default AutoCAD. Okay, so this video the end here. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you.